I used to be quite a shy lad. Since I've come here, I've come out my shell a bit. I've learnt a lot. I started, like you say, sweeping floors, and now I'm TIG welding, stick welding and MIG welding.
I didn't think I'd be able to do metal work and stuff like that. I thought it were above me, whereas now I've started and done the apprenticeship, it seems within grasp that we'll get a career in welding.
So Hopkins traditionally has been a manufacturer of fish and chip frying ranges and equipment for the fish and chip industry. The factory floor is light and airy, and we have lots of modern machinery.
Quickly, after learning my place in the factory, if you like learning it, I've quickly settled in and everyone's really friendly and you get to know your place and just how everything works really.
The benefits are getting qualifications, so that's what I'm working towards, and you're not getting into debt by going to university.
You are at an advantage when you apply for careers. I think when employers look at your CV, having that practical experience along with the academic side really sets you aside. I want to give opportunities to everybody, no matter what their background, race, culture, sex. It really is to do with the talent and an ability to do the job, and I think any other issues that may be attached with that can always be addressed given the right support.